Hello semua. Okey, apa khabar? Saya Sarah dari Domestic Orders and Company. Sekarang hari ni kita nak buat unboxing ya of a Good Molecules product. Okey, kita ada 3 produk ni hari ni yang kita nak unboxing. So, kita mula dengan Niacinamide Brightening Toner dulu ya. Okey, and then kita zoom you all sikit. Okay, kita zoom you sikit. Sorry ya pasal benda ni I tak tahu macam mana nak set dia. Okay, Niacinamide Brightening Toner from Good Molecules. Macam ni kotak dia. Okay, dia ada niacinamide, vitamin C, arbutin and licorice root extract to brighten and improve appearance of enlarged pores. Dia datang dalam 120 ml for fluid ounce, untuk orang yang pakai ounce, American lah usually. And you can use it AM and PM macam ni ya. Kotak dia keras ya, tebal, thick. Okay, so let's unboxing. Ni macam ni. And inside looks like that. Rupa dia macam tu. Then macam ni. Botol dia, one thing yang pertama I notice, compared to the ordinary glycolic acid toner, ni kaca ya botol dia, a bit heavy. Cap dia plastik. Okay, here it is. Here how it looks like. Okay, then we do the unboxing for serum, super peptide serum by Good Molecule, formulated with 3 peptides to target fine lines, wrinkle and dullness. Okay, this is for anti-aging lah ya. And then the ingredient list, it's all written there. This is how it looks like, and the same box quality, thick. It says here you can use it in AM and PM as well. This, when you open the box for the first time, this is how it looks like. And then I must say, dia punya packaging actually it's better than the ordinary packaging, but then the ordinary packaging is cheaper than Good Molecules. You with the ordinary you pay for the ingredients, not the packaging. Okay, it says here can use AM and PM as well. Sorry, blurry. Okay, then here Good Molecule Super Peptide Serum. Kita akan buat video review untuk semua produk ni ya. So sekarang dalam video ni kita hanya buat unboxing je dulu ya. Then yang ni yang I excited sangat nak cuba, itu pineapple exfoliating powder, pineapple. Okay, lepas tu dia kata sini formulated with fruit enzyme, vitamin C and rice powder to soften and brighten and gently exfoliate. Dia datang dalam 60 gram. Kotak dia warna kuning. That's the ingredient list stated there. Never tested on animals, so it's cruelty free. AM and PM. Okay, exfoliating are very good for anyone's skin except orang yang super sensitive and then active breakout ya. I excited sangat nak cuba ni. So we open, dia macam tu. This how it looks like. Oh, nice. Kaca juga ya. Di kaca. And then kita akan buat separate video and how to use this. And then I will review juga lah untuk ni. Okay, macam ni. So Please always buy, sentiasa beli produk skincare. Jangan tengok harga je. You kena tengok, you kena guna logic you. So how to avoid fake product, and nowadays you kena guna logic you. If it's too cheap to be true, it's probably is. Okay. Okay, itu je untuk unboxing hari ni for Good Molecules product. We see you soon dengan video review and macam mana nak guna yang ni. Okay. Bye.